Prince Harry won the right to appeal a judge's decision to block him from receiving British taxpayer-funded security while he and/or his family are in the United Kingdom. Such results are said to be decided on a case-by-case basis, and the Duke of Sussex is said to have a majority of the public's support in this new outcome. His attempt to pay personally for extra police protection has the obvious disadvantage that it would create a two-tier system and, as expected, failed in court. Royal commentator Richard Fitzwilliams told an outlet. However, he is haunted by what happened to his mother, and there is a threat by far-right extremists to him and his family. He added, the granting of full taxpayer-funded protection for those who are not full-time working royals is likely to be difficult to obtain, but in his particular case, there will be some sympathy for what he sees as his predicament. The expert then pointed out that the controversial prince could be a target for extremist groups as well. It may well be that it is ruled that he and his family could be included in the other VIP category, but the legal costs of his appeal will be substantial. A. Threat by far-right extremists and terrorists. 2. As the Royal Observer previously reported, in documents released from the case, which was decided on Wednesday, February 28, the fifth in line to the throne even demanded the name of the specific person who signed off on stripping Sussex protection 4 years ago. Harry and Meghan Markle decided to leave the United Kingdom, Megxit, in early 2020 for reasons that have been disputed by both analysts and the couple themselves ever since. No matter the reason behind the parting, government-funded royal security is something that is only granted to senior royals who actively work for or from the annual sovereign grant of public money. It is understood, obviously, that such monarchy members will reside full-time in Britain and will continue their public and private duties as representatives of the reigning monarch. Both of these principles were abandoned when the Duke and Duchess of Sussex decided to leave. The fiery-haired prince filed a claim against the British Home Office after they decided to remove such security in February 2020, and released a statement defending his decision last December. Harry let it be known that he and the Duchess of Sussex felt forced to leave the monarchy nearly 4 years ago. It was with great sadness for the both of us that my wife and I felt forced to step back from this role and leave the country in 2020. The UK is my home. The UK is central to the heritage of my children and a place I want them to feel at home as much as where they live at the moment in the United States, the fifth in line to the throne's recent witness statement read. Daily Mirror reported on Harry's appeal.